When should I sell my home? What is the best buyer to choose? How do I know if they're actually qualified? What should or shouldn't I fix? Who has to pay for inspections? What's the best way to market my home? I know there are a lot of things to consider when selling your home. Hi, my name is Tom Olsewski with Coldwell Banker and Team Olsewski. I've been selling real estate right here in Southwest Riverside County for years, and I've helped hundreds of sellers navigate the selling process. One thing I found is that by checking out a hassle-free, no-strings website that is dedicated to Home Sellers Challenge can actually answer most of the questions that you might have, and even more importantly, help you think about things you haven't even considered or thought about. That could be important. There are a lot of things you should think about when you're actually selling your house. So I put together the website Home Sellers Challenge that explains how to maximize the return on your investment. And yes, your home is an investment. And the good news is that you can actually view this website at a time that works best for you, and you can attend virtually, so you don't even have to leave your home. I also have a YouTube channel with plenty of short videos, helpful videos, could save you thousands, that you can even watch at a time that's also convenient for you. Whenever you choose, just click the link below and you'll be directed to either the website or the YouTube channel. Choose an option that works best for you, and hey, if you're more of an in-person kind of a person that wants a little bit more intimate personal experience, we can deep dive on the ins and outs of selling, or just talk about what your plans are for the future. Just give us a call and we'll schedule a no obligation consultation at a time that works best for you. Anyways, I can't wait to hear from you. Look forward to working with you. This is Tom Olsewski with Coldwell Banker signing out. Don't forget to click the link below to get instant access. Remember, it's important who you work with.